Hi everyone, welcome to Thai Language Training Center New Concept English Classroom, and today we will learn Book 1, Lesson 16. Sağolasiz qara 16 ders o'rgansak, bu 16 ders hamda shu oldingi darsimizniki nimasi desanlar, bir takrar qismi. Xo'sh, undaqda bu darsimizda ko'p uchraydigan so'zlarni o'rganaylik. So'zlardan keyin endi biz shu oldingi dars o'rgangan masalan ismlarni ko'plik shakli, shunami? Shularni undan keyin hamda ko'plik ishlaydigan bir necha jumla shakllari bor. Shularni mashq qilib o'tamiz. Xo'sh, hamsa yangi so'zlar. Agar birinchisi nima desanglar, Russian. Okay, and nima o'rganib chiqdi? Nima? Russian. Okay, and Russian deganimiz nima? Rossiyalik. Rossiyaning bo'lsa nima bo'ladi desanglar, Russian. Okay, you know, this is Russian people. This one is Russian people, and this one is Russian flag. Okay, and the flag deganimiz bayroq degan gap. F-L-A-G, flag. Russian flag and Russian people. Okay, Rossiyaliklar, shunami? Russian, you know, he's Russian. Deganda, shunami? Okay. So, is he Russian? Nima degan gap bo'ldi? Is he Russian? U nalikmi? Rossiyalik. Mu? Rosmu degan gap. Yes, he is. U Rossiyalik, shunami? Okay, good. My friend is Russian. And then mening do'stim bo'lsa Rossiyalik. Okay, and this mening do'stim Rossiyalik mu? Demek ma'noni savolga aylantirib aytsak, is my friend Russian? Okay, Russian. Demek ma'noni Russian sağlaştı. Next one is Dutch. Okay, Dutch. Xo'sh, endi Dutch deganimiz nima desanlar, Gollandiyalik degan gap. Okay, look, they are Dutch people. All right, Dutch people. You know, he is a Dutch fan. Okay, u bo'lsa nima desanlar, Dutch. Fan degan nima desanlar, mastanasi. Har xil futbol mastanalari, naqsh mastanalari bor-ku. Shu mastana degan nima deymiz? Fan deymiz. Dutch fan degan nima? Gollandiyalik mastana. Arada Gollandiya qanday o'lti desanlar, gulda o'lti saqlashdi. Bu Gollandiyaniki dunyodan gulda o'lti. Dunyodan. Amma nima desanlar, Dutch flag. Ma Gollandiyaning nimasi? Bayrog'i. Okay, this is a Dutch flag. Okay, this is a Dutch flag. Xo'sh, and the next one is these. Okay, and these deganimiz hamda the ma talaffuz qiladi. These. Yaxshi, these deganimiz bular. Odatda shu ingliz tilida this bu deymiz-ku, shuningki ko'plik shakli. Okay, ko'plik shakli. Okay, ma'lumcha these. Okay, these are Dutch footballers. Okay, footballer. And footballer degan futbolchi, shunami? Footballers degan keyin asqatildi-ku. Bu shaptilchi chiqaranda bo'yalgan. Okay, bu nima? Footballers. Okay, bular bo'lsa, Gollandiyalik nimalar? Futbolchilar. These are Dutch footballer. Okay, bu Gollandiyaning futbolchilari halalam kuchli, shundami? Halalam yomon. Okay, nima? These degan nima? Bular. Bular deganda. Okay, these. Okay, next one is red. Okay, red. Actually, red. Red is kind of color. Qanday rang bo'la? Ekranda ko'rinib turibdi, qizil rang, shunami? Qizil rang. Masalan, whose is this red car? Okay, and the whose degan nima bo'lganda bo'la? Kimning, shunami? Whose is this? Bu kimning? Qizil mashina. Bu qizil mashina kimning? Whose is this red car? Okay, next one is gray. Okay, gray qanday rang ekan bolalar? Kulrang. Yaxshi. Kulranglar nima deymiz? Gray deymiz. Gray. Qaranglar, ma o'yiningki tema qaysi rangni sirlangan? It painted gray. The wall is gray of the house. Okay, and the gray deymiz nima? Kulrang of this house. Demakchi bu o'yinning tema qanday? Kulrang. Misharika wall deganimiz nima? Misol tom degan gap. Wall. Okay, mana qanday ekan? Gray. What color is this phone? What color is this phone? Sizlarcha, bu telefonning rangi qanday rang bolalar? It's gray. Okay, what color is my sweater? Okay, my popaykaning rangi qanday ekan savollashda? It is Gray, right? Gray degan kulrang. Xo'sh, it's gray. Okay, next one is yellow. Okay, yellow. Actually, yellow. Yellow deganimiz hamda sariq rang. Okay, this is bedroom. Okay, nima? It's yellow. Shtama. This is bedroom. And the bubbles were nima? Yotoq. This is yellow. Okay, my picture. Bicycle deymiz. It's a bicycle and it's yellow. Okay, bu bo'lsa bir nima desanglar, velosiped u qanday rang ekan? Sariq rang ekan. Va kishi qotil velosiped ekan bolalar, bicycle. Okay, yellow. Qizil degan nima bo'lganda? Red. Yaxshi. Oldingi darslarimizda yeshil degan o'rgangan. Yeshil degani green. Good. Next one is blue. Okay, blue. Xo'sh, chansa blue. What is this? Qaysi adabanglar tegdi? Blue shirt, blue pen, blue sky. Sizlarning qaysidi? Okay. It's blue sky. Okay. What is this? It is blue nima? Shirt. What about that? It's blue pen. Yaxshi. Bu esa blue pen. Blue deganimiz ham ko'k ranglik. Okay. Blue shirt, blue pen, blue sky. Good. Next one is black. Okay, black. Black deganimiz nima bo'ldi? Endi qora ranglikni black deymiz. Like black shoes. Okay, shoes deganimiz oyoqlar, shunami? Black shoes, qora oyoq, shunami? Ya'ni-chi black computer. Okay, a black computer. Qora ranglik nima? Computer. Ya'ni-chi black car. Yaxshi, qora ranglik nima? Mashina. Demak, mushlar nima? Black. Qara. Okay, next one is orange. Okay, orange deganimiz shu orange oblisonning rangi ham oblisin nima? Orange deymiz, Such as what is the first one? Orange handbag. Okay, so what color are these? First one is orange. Okay, handbag. Orange hat. Orange shirt. Okay, I'm missing again. Orange. Orange handbag, orange hat, orange shirt. I'm missing that. Sure. Listen around. Okay. They are good. What color are they? They are orange. They are orange. Good. Okay, such as red book, white shirt, gray coat. Okay, and the red book degan qizil rangli kitob, white shirt, oq rangli nima? Ko'ylak, a gray coat, kul rang palto, yellow tickets, yellow deganimiz kul rang bilet, sariq rang bilet, blue suits, ko'k rangli nima? Kastamurulka, shnama. Black and grey hat degancha. Qora ham kul rang nima? Shlapa. Okay, orange ties. Orange deganimiz nima bo'ldi? Oblisn rang. Green passport, yeshil passport, black umbrella, qora umbrella, qora kunlik, white handbag degan.